Marissa here, the person bringing you a little bit closer to breaking the vicious cycle of the rat race, a little bit closer each day. So I get a lot of questions that go a little something like this. Marissa, how long does it take for me to make money online fast? Did I spell anything wrong? Don't ask me why I was trying to type that out. I don't know, I thought it'd be. Anyways, I want to show you what I literally made in 90 days. You know, I guess people have different definitions on what fast really means. Some people, they're wondering if they can make $5,000 their first week doing something. And then some people are like me where, you know, I have big goals, but they're also realistic. To me, if I think you can come into a system and within 30 to 90 days make incredible amounts of money, to me, that's considered fast. And if that's fast to you, take a look at this. I'm logging into a Stripe account, okay? You guys have seen me do this before, I think, hopefully, we'll know. Today I've made $100 so far. It's like 1 o'clock. I'll probably make more by the end of today. Yesterday I made 400. But the point is, I want to show you my 90-day mark with being with this incredible opportunity. And I'm going to have to do something weird here because sometimes it doesn't tax up. So we'll do it like that. We'll go now to March 19th. Boom. And as you can see, okay, I made in just 90 days $19,060. So that was March 19th. Now, if I actually put it to today, you'll see that go up, okay, quite a bit, right, in just a couple of days. So that's the power of the internet. I've had past experiences online that didn't work out like I wanted them to, but I didn't let a few bad experiences completely spoil the whole concept and idea of me being able to work from home. I've made, with just one opportunity, a little over $6,000 a month for the last 3 months. And that's not even crazy amounts of money, okay? But I don't know about you. I don't know anybody in my circle of friends or family that is willing to turn down an extra $6,000 fairly easy. I've done this with the no limit system, okay? So here she go, talking about the no limit system. When is she gonna stop talking about it? Well, the thing is, I'm not. I don't talk about things this much if they don't work, okay? I have gotten with things in the past that I'm like, yeah, this is cool, it's working, but not at the level that I wanted to. I stopped talking about it. The no limit system is a powerful direct sales opportunity that allows you to learn how to literally copy and paste proven ads onto social media accounts to make money. Now, you don't make money by literally posting the ads. What happens is you get the ads that are in the system and you paste them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Craigslist, YouTube, you know, forum marketing, things like that. People get interested when they see your post. They send you a message or they comment on them and saying, hey, send me more information. You then send them a website that gets created for you by the No Limits team. And once they click on that site, they're going to be like, wow, this is an amazing opportunity. I've been looking for something like this to help me get out of the rat race, to help me provide a little bit better for my family, maybe to help me get a little bit more play money so I can maybe go on little vacations and things like this. Summer's coming up. You know, a lot of people are interested in wanting to, you know, grow their income so they can have a good time. I thought the same kind of thoughts when I was just starting out with this stuff in 2013. I looked at people who were making like $180 to $100 a day, and I thought, oh my God, if I could only do that, that is so much money. Well, let me tell you something. I have been at that level and I've surpassed being able to make $100 a day. And that's not me bragging, it's me showing you the potential of what this can scale to in your life. It's time to take action. There's no more procrastinating. If you've been looking at this opportunity saying you're gonna join, and you haven't, why have you gotten complacent? Why have you gotten comfortable with learning how to go through the cycle, with learning how to live check to check and knowing, hey, I live check to check, and I mean, I guess I don't starve every day. You don't need to get comfortable with that kind of life. I mean, if you're extremely happy with that kind of life, then I guess it doesn't matter. If you've been following me and you've been living like that, there's a good chance you're not happy living like that, and it's time for you to do something about it. Yes, you need to take action and join this opportunity. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can go ahead and click the link in my video description below. If you got this video in an email, there should be a button on this page you can click on to actually join the No Limit system. I'm willing to help you as long as you're willing to also help yourself. People message me all the time and they want me to help them, and then I can't help them with anything because they're not in something. I don't know. I can't help that. If you join the No Limit system on the pro level, you will get bonus extra training from me, and you'll also get a lot more priority one-on-one time with me. Not that I don't help other people on the $25 or the $50 level, but I, pay a little bit more attention to people that are willing to invest into this stuff. And that's basically all you're going to need. On this page, you'll see other newbies that are on my team actually getting results. So anyways, I hope you get inspired by this and it gets you that much closer to taking action to break the cycle of the rat race.